Have you ever heard the saying, "You attract what you think about the most"? This is the essence of the law of attraction, the belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. It's about magnetizing success by focusing your mind on what you want to achieve. 51 Wise Principles for a Fulfilling Life. Principle 8. Law of Attraction, Magnetizing Success. For a modern example of the law of attraction in action, consider the story of Elon Musk. Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, has continually focused on what many would consider impossible dreams, like colonizing Mars and revolutionizing the automotive industry with electric cars. His success can be attributed to his unwavering belief in his vision and goals. Musk's journey was not without challenges. He faced skepticism, financial hurdles, and numerous technical setbacks. Yet he remained focused on his positive vision, consistently attracting investment, talent, and public interest to his ventures. His mindset wasn't just about hoping, it was about envisioning success and working tirelessly towards it. The law of attraction is not just about thinking positively, but also about aligning your actions with your thoughts. It's a combination of believing in your dreams and putting in the effort to make them a reality. Start by defining your goals. What do you want to achieve? Visualize it vividly in your mind. Then align your daily actions and decisions with this vision. The key is to maintain a positive outlook and believe in the possibility of your success. However, remember that this law isn't a magic wand. It requires patience, persistence, and hard work. It's about creating a mindset that enables you to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Today, think about what you truly desire. Visualize it and take one small step towards it. Share in the comments what you're aiming for and how you plan to achieve it. Let's inspire each other with our visions and the steps we're taking to magnetize success into our lives. With the law of attraction, we can draw closer to our dreams, one positive thought and action at a time. Thank you for watching this episode of 51 Wise Principles for a Fulfilling Life. If this video resonated with you, please like and share it to spread these life-changing principles. Your support can make a real difference in someone's life. Remember to follow us for more insightful episodes. Each one is designed to guide you towards a more fulfilling and wise life. Stay tuned for our next video. Together, let's grow and learn. Your journey to wisdom is just a click away, and every small step you take is significant. Until next time, keep living wisely.